Absolutely celebration time it is, and we are here to celebrate, to welcome 2026, and I am at one of the Bengaluru's most iconic year-end destination, Church Street, and it is said that by the evening, Church Street is transformed into a celebration hub by the evening of 31st December, and it's just 6:30 at present, and as you can see, the place is already started to get lit, and there is a lot of preparation, there's a lot of crowd, and it is expected to even get more as the evening escalates. But at this point in time, if you can see, the security arrangements are also tight. The restaurants, the pubs, the disco, the bars, all of it is lit. There's a lot of shopping happening. And at the same time, when we talk about Bengaluru, it's the Silicon Valley of India, the startup hub, and the youngsters hub as well. So how can we not talk to the youngsters of Bengaluru? And first of all, Happy New Year in advance, and we wish you a great year. Tell us what brings you to Church Street.
We're all friends from college, and we always hang out in Church Street, especially during New Year's time. So this is one of the days where we have to be in Church Street to have fun, and the vibes are amazing, and people are really great, and there's a lot of police, so it feels safe as well. So it's been just for the vibe and fun, we're here.
Okay, so as you say that you are from here, college friends, I'm sure you are visiting Church Street time and again, maybe every New Year. So is the celebration, is the sentiment like every year, it's more than that? What is it that you're expecting as the night moves ahead?
I'm sure there's going to be a lot of crowd today, but then it's as usual. We see the same amount of crowd every single year. But then we see more security today, so it feels a little tight.
Okay.
But as far as celebrations goes, I think we'll just enjoy the night, have some good food, and maybe attend a party here somewhere.
While you enjoy the night, one question, as we are a business news channel and we are talking to the youth of India, how do you see the country developing, Bangalore? If we talk about the infra, the tech, the startups, the technology, what is the take on it?
Well, I think we saw the long-awaited yellow line coming into operations this year, and the frequency of the trains are also decreasing, so that was a major development for the city. And I think as citizens of Bangalore, we still want many more, metro lines that connect all the parts of the city. Apart from that, I think this year was a good year for startups in Bangalore. A lot of new AI startups came into picture, a lot of new companies coming up in Whitefield, Marathalli, HSR, all the big tech hubs of the city. So I think it's been a good year so far.
It's been a good year, and we really wish a good next 2026 to you as well. Once again, Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year to you as well. Thank you.
As you can see, the sentiment says it all. The youngsters, the crowd, not just the youngsters, the people of Bangalore, Bangaloreans, and not only from Bangalore, other parts of the city have also gathered at Church Street and are celebrating 2026. This is just the start. It is going to be even great, even better as the night moves ahead.
Yes, Mansi, thanks for getting us the mood check from the Church Street in Bangalore. It really looks upbeat. Tell us more on, how long can Bangalore party this year? What are the things in place to ring in the new year? Are there special provisions made? Like Mumbai has the metro running all through the night. Pubs are open all through the night. Are similar things happening in Bangalore as well? Considering that, we are celebrating the new year right in the thick of the week, right in the thick of the working week.
Absolutely, and see, this is just the start, like I said, and day before yesterday, even before 31st, there were tight security arrangements. The police is all together over here to ensure, because there is going to be a lot of crowd, and the localites over here are very sure about it. The metro, for that matter, MG Road is the metro over here. The metro is halted just for MG Road over here. It'll go for the other stations, but it's not going to stop at MG Road, because it is sure shot that the crowd is going to be even more. You can just see the heads over here will be celebrating New Year as the night moves ahead, and at present all I can do is just show you the vibe at present, and this is the lane of Church Street. And as you move ahead from here, there's a lot of crowd. There are restaurants, there are pubs, and at the same time, there's a lot of shopping happening as well. celebrations all together. People are enjoying it, and that's the New Year vibe. This is the destination, this is the point, iconic Church Street, which is one of the places where in Bangalore people celebrate New Year. And yes, we are here, and the vibe
Yes.
is altogether different.
Absolutely, Mansi, and I hope you enjoy your first New Year's in Bengaluru too. At Church Street, we are joined by Mansi from Silicon Valley of India. Clearly, the street
One
looks
more thing, the
upbeat.
weather is great here.
Absolutely, Mansi. I'm sure you're enjoying your time there, and wishing you a very happy New Year. And it's time for us to slip into a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.